Take good care of your mom for me.
What are you talking about, Dad? What do you mean, take good care of Mom?
You need to get as far away from here as you can. I'm going to fight Majin Buu on my own.
No way! We're gonna fight too! The three of us can take him down for sure!
Trunks, I haven't given you a single hug since the day you were born, have I?
Huh?
Come here, son.
Dad? What are you doing, Dad? Cut it out! You're embarrassing me!
Take care, Trunks.
Huh? Ah!
Why'd you do that? Why'd you hit Trunks?
Take these two as far away from here as you can. I'm counting on you, Piccolo. You're prepared to die, aren't you? Just tell me one thing. If I die, will I be able to see Kakarot in the other world?
I'm afraid not. You've killed too many innocent people. When you die, you'll lose your body, and your soul will be carried off to a different world.
I see. That's too bad. Now, get out of here. Hurry!
No! Boo, no, let you go!
Wait, Majin Buu! You're going to have to defeat me first! You got that? Fight me, you brain-dead balloon!
You say mean things, even though you're weak!
I finally know how to get rid of you. Once and for all.
Hey! What in the world is Vegeta doing? He's gonna get himself killed!
For the first time ever, he's finally fighting to protect someone other than himself. Throwing his life away to do it.
To make sure you can't put yourself back together, I'm going to blow you into microscopic pieces!
What? Whoa!
Farewell, Bulma, Trunks. Yes,